Welcome back to episode number 3. My name is Van. I am a makeup artist, a photographer, and the founder of Artist Kit Company based in New York City. I make tools for makeup artists to condense their kit. Today I want to do a detailed walkthrough of repressing a product to show you the entire process from beginning till end. I post a lot of quick 15 to 30 seconds videos on Instagram, but it's not a true representation of the time and labor that are required to do this process. So let's go. This process takes a lot of time, labor, money, and practice in order to get it right. You will make a lot of mistakes along the way, and it's a never-ending learning journey. When you repress something new, you will never know what the result will be until you actually do it. But the more you do it, you will know what signs to look for to determine if a product should be repressed or shouldn't be repressed. As you can see, this is a long process. It's definitely not for everybody or simply just making your kit looks pretty. Before you determine if this is something you should do, you have to ask yourself a few questions. How you handle your kit, how you set up, how you take care of your kit, and why you actually want to do this. Until you have answers to those questions, it's better not to start. If you found this episode helpful, please leave a comment below and let me know what you would like to see next. And follow me on Instagram at Artist Kit Company and Van Makeup NYC. Thanks.